Today is January 3, 2015 and malapit na ako matapos mag-makeup. As some of you know, kasal ngayon ni Ate Daiko. So, 12 pa lang, 3 yung kasal niya. So, ayun. Sis kayo wala nakapantulog pa lang, siya yung huling bibihisan para hindi siya mainitan. So, very simple lang ang aking eye makeup. Tapos sa lips, kung tatanungin nyo, ginamit ko yung Fashion 21, hindi all day bronze, kundi yung all day sushi. So, ayan. Bali, mag-eyelash na lang ako. Ito ay from Ink Heart Shop. So, yan guys. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya ha. Emote, makeup. Love it. Hello mga sis! So, ito na yung aking outfit para sa kasal ni Ate Daiko. Simple white dress lang siya, pero natatakot ako. Nagdadalawang isip ako kung ito. Pero since pink naman yung motive, ito. Sabi na rin, magpalit na lang daw ako pagdating sa reception. Kasi sa reception kakain, baka madumihan. Kaya naman magpapalit ako, pero dadalhin ko na lang just in case. Kasi, ayan, oh, hanggang sky.
Okay daw, sabi ni
Aba. Aba. Suotin mo, masilaw.
Masilaw, isuot mo, masilaw.
Hindi ko na muna dinamitan si Sky. Ito yung damit niya mamaya. Ay, naantok na hindi natulog eh. Ayan si nanay. Si Lola Dagi. Yan na guys. Ang init. Guys, nandito na kami sa taxi. Pupunta na kami dun sa simbahan.
Kasi pag naubos ang baterya nun, hindi na maitulak.
Ha?
Ano?
Ano? Yung pamalit ko na damit. Buti na lang may ribbon kasi mainit. Inano ko siya, ginawa ko parang kortina ni Sky. Wow. Say hi.
Nagbalikan yung iba. Oh.
Hi.
Lalo na yung taxi.
Yes, Dino. Andito na kami guys. Medyo late. Ayan na, nandiyan na tayo. Tapos na yung church wedding. Punta na tayo ngayon sa reception. So may parang Sampaguita pictures ata dati. Kaya lang ihing-ihi na ako. Ay sila nanay. Papa tayo, kailan? Iimbitahan ko lahat ng Airs Loves ko. Char! Pwede lang, no? Kaya lang baka mga iilan lang naman yung mga Airs Loves ko. Yes! O, tara na. Punta na tayo sa may reception. Ano na tayo? Lafang mode. Ay! May picture pa dun! May picture pa dun! Oh, sige, wait lang. Tara. Champion! Nice, change na tayo sa sleepers. Sky. Yan na po. Naghihintay kami kay Tito Bong. Babalikan niya daw kami. Pero malapit lang dito yung reception. Pero sayang yung pantaksi. Ayan si Sky, tsaka si Patrice. Tulog siya. Babababam.
I had Tati guy.
Ito na tayo sa may Sampaguita Gardens. Yung itsura sa loob, ang ganda. Parang garden. Sampaguita Garden. At tara na guys. Ito po tayo sa loob ng Sampaguita Gardens. Yan na po si Sky. Bossing. Tara, let's go. Hawak, babe. Baba. Ay, magpahawak. Baba. Yan si Daphne nasa garden. Ayan, merong fish. Cute.
Ito na!
Shibog time na po. Let's go. Aba.
Go!
Let's go. So, ayan na sa loob. Cutie. Sige, pasok ka na. Ayan na. Ayan na tayo sa loob. Alvin!
Sabi ni Eddie.
So for that, please give yourselves a big round of applause, everyone. Alright, we would like to thank you all for being here today just to celebrate with Alan. And there you go. It is my honor and pleasure to present to you for the first time as husband and wife. Let's give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Alan and Daiko Campa Javier. How about the rest of the entourage? Please join the newlyweds. And let's have hashtag Alda Road to Forever. Believed to be the first meal. Okay, everyone, how about a big round of applause, please, to Alan and Daiko. Hi, Alan, Daiko. Hi. For the few of you who may not know me, I am Ashley, the older sister of the bride. Ever since the day I know that I would have to make a maid of honor speech, I wonder how in the world I would get through it. Because unlike Daiko, sobrang mahihain po ako. Anyway, my sister and I have been best friends our entire life. You can imagine growing up, Daika and I shared everything. Interests, food, toys, some clothes, our pink and... I always tell you that I can't imagine my life without you. And I really mean it. I wish everyone could experience what it's like to know that there's one special person that you can say anything to and everything to. Our family as well. Please take care of my sister and love her faithfully. I really enjoyed watching your love for one another grow over the last 11 years. I wish you both every bit of happiness as you embark on this new journey together. I love you so much, Daiko. Alright, how about a big round of applause to Ashley?
tayo ngayon sa restroom. Ang ganda din ng restroom nila. So, very malinis. Sa ano to? Sampaguita Gardens. Ito daw yung dating Sampaguita Films, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Tapos, ang saya ng program, nakakatuwa. Tapos, ang sarap lahat ng pagkain, lalo na yung mga dessert. Thumbs up, Ate Daiko. Congratulations, Ate Daiko, if you're watching!
Fantastic, baby.
Up and a big hand to our friends, Taiko and Sammy and Ajisha.
At successful ang inyong magiging buhay. I'm proud. Mga anak ko. I'm sure, alam niyo na